Yes, welcome back once again, one time, MapMasterJoel, long TrafficZest training. Bila showing you one plus system where you can use him long finding all traffic or quality traffic or leads blowing you. You can target him on T1 leads, T2 na T3, depending on one all traffic providers you choosing them. So here I use TrafficZest link now. You can come and launch the traffic here. Now you select him affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing I'm all leads here. So now you make him traffic campaign long you long any offer blue, whether OLSP or life good or any affiliate marketing link blue. So you come down now where you looking by now by adding you looking slowly and me setting this. Now I'm looking one the green plan light come up lab 6 tab and me setting pin so me allocate him and tab budget lo 1363 lo run him slab traffic paid traffic blow me actually me run him OLSP mega link traffic traffic but offer blow me. So here I mean how we been making it. So you get select him slam, you go down long, give him name long or slam campaign you like run him leme. Example we been put him OLSP mega link long internal reference kilometers. Okay, you can come down and slam link here by you URL link long affiliate marketing link here. So you copy him long up. So you come down here now we select him all time all date one time you run him one time by stop him. So you select him all slow date for you and by slow long up. Now so you go down, you look him slam by you select him. Suppose you are running on the weight loss affiliate marketing link blue, you can select him or the health side long or some live good and you can select him health or weight loss. But me run him long, make money online, so me select him make money online. So now here either traffic providers inside there you get all names all traffic providers by looking at some AJ Simon, Andrew, Bali, I'm all major traffic stores, all by providing traffic blue. But then like blue like you see more, depending on budget blue. You looking some Slamana, White we and we looking name them come up the OLSP leaders board every month and boys stop lab. So system long. So otherwise you losing free that's all, losing blank meaning over there. So you come down, you select countries yes, you can select countries depending. So you target in T1 countries or T2 or Tier 3 or more number of countries, but you can target him. Some 1% you look him, suppose you put him empty name talk empty for all countries and by one of doing by expensive link. So cost blue long click him or clickbait cost and by expensive link. So suppose you select him Tier 1 countries because they all high conversion rates but like blue depending on budget. Or not play all Tier 1 or Tier 2 and Tier 3 countries. So you can select him. So you select him all and we look at some cost blow and by link. So usually all Tier 1 countries and by $1.34 to 35 cents. So you select him also and by cheap blue will run him. So best advice you select him countries, suppose you are running cheap budget blue. Okay, or not you can use him blank meaning you choose him over time. Okay, come down here now you put him in a budget blue. You look in here can select him on budget, daily budget, total budget one time by come finish lemon by system automatically pass. So select his budget now, but daily budget blue but numbers. Okay, you come upside. So you select him now and solo here. Campaign summary. The campaign summary and low here. Here now we look more same. So you more what are you set up long. Make him now. You finish now, you can click him active. I mean you put him online now. This is I'm training to also. Look over the lab no me so you on up where me make it na. So look over again. And long time we talk bench the process then we come here. So let's check him mega link. So you looking. So me been selecting a mega link. URL belong mega link belong here. And then me come down, me set him date. Me like run him now 15 days. So send me put him on top where I'm talk. Blue year start campaign now. Because me schedule him one time I finish long 19th. Me like running 3 days campaign. So me select him 18 now I finish long 19. So tableau is important because we select him all. Suppose you run him weight loss campaign or health campaign or depending on of So me run him OLSP was OLSP I'm affiliate marketing, so we put him make money online. So here traffic providers me losing blank because me like him any of these can provide traffic. So me losing blank. So underneath because me know a bit of money, so me targeting budget, so me put him in. Me select him country, Brazil, na India, me targeting all their countries, all their 2 countries. So because budget number cheap, little long, at least for running, according to budget we made. So was me a bit of money, I remember put him over there, so me target him on UK, US, Canada, and so. So me run him slightly to solve. Come down lemma device types and put the empty traffic text, put it over the empty. Okay, come down here now. Important but you set him all budget plans here. Really me put him $13 because me got $13 budget. $4 per day. So now we looking. I'm not time to talk lemma now blue lights come up there. So daily budget now stop. So now go option now we look at active campaign now active. So inside lab now we look at on top program start now. So once me allocating budget, me allocating funds now and by kick off down run. So I'm not so we put in targeting or target for me or target needs for me and make money online. Now countries me selecting also Brazil na India. Okay, now we got budget below $13.65 tablet, so we allocate him $13 the maximum spend of $3 per day. Upside me we set him for $3 per day. So now I'm active, so me saving now, so I'm saving. So now I'm so let's kill him time and run lemon cost or slow budget or something by come. So you looking campaign period click say time or man click level now but swim long up come long up. So name long campaign. So we put in traffic providers thinking all man and looking up say we put him over there. So I'm all so I'm some green light I'm actually I'm run star now. na budget man tabe. Okay, one block plus something also. You can share him sila link. You can share him sila link and you can use him sila affiliate marketing commission blow you long boost him all nar bla link blow you. I mean making sila me no actually buy him sila because sila buy him on the traffic and by about what $100 PNG kina am expensive so me use him tasol commissions blow me long system so algorithm sila funds $13 so I'm using the $13 long boost him sila affiliate mega link long alright, okay, so links tatam lolo comment you can find him sila link na make him lawyer to na follow and me lo sablo up or campaign leads where you can put him upload lo here lo page lo me